Hey Hannah, Mr. Schafer here, coming at you live from the classroom. Hey, we just wanted to make a little video for you because we sure do miss you, but we understand why you um, are at home learning, and it's okay because you're doing what's best for you and your family. So we all wanted to let you know we're thinking about you, and we wanted to make sure that we uh, told you that um, you were special to all of us in a lot of different ways. Okay, you're very special and in our hearts, and we think about you every day, and we wish every day that you were here to learn and have some fun with us. So just know that we are thinking about you, and we love you guys dearly, um, and we're thinking about Eli every day as well. So we know it's a tough road, but we're gonna get through it. Okay, stand together, stay together, family. Love you, Hannah.